Let me see.
No, it's beautiful.
Oh, yes, it's beautiful. Wow, good job. Oh, I don't know say Igbo people brilliant like this.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
Guys, I just got a post and I am super excited. I've been waiting for this post for the very longest time. So first is this color pencil. I got it on Aliexpress for my daughter. So this pencil came in different colors, you know, to color. So I have a toddler. She will be 4 by January. So yeah, I got this colored pencil for her, and I love how it is packed in this small casing, you know. So, and the other one is this. So yeah, let's unbox together. Yeah. So yeah, I have boots. It's just like a tracing. This is it. So as you guys can see, this is numbers like multiplication, addition, there is subtraction. Yes, this is subtraction. So yeah, she's not yet this one is kind of too much for her, so yeah, but I'll keep it. And this is like tracing, you know, to trace numbers. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so this is tracing. What is this one? Okay, so this one is for fruits. It is also tracing. I just love the books, as in I just love it, and I love the fact that it is very, very small. And this other one here is color. So yes, can you guys see? It's very fine. Oh. Color. Oh, she'll be so happy. She's sleeping at the moment. She will be so happy when she wakes up and see this book. She will be super excited. So yes, this is it. Oh, I'm super excited, huh? So I'm going to link the books in my description box in case anybody wants to get it. You all know how I do it. I got it on Aliexpress and it is super affordable. I think I got the whole of this thing, including the pencil. I think I got them for 25 euro. And there's this something that looks like pencil here as well. Yellow, okay. And the other one, what color is this?
It's blue.
Blue, yes. Clap for yourself. What color is this?
It's green.
Green, yes. Clap for yourself. So you color the duck yellow. Oh yeah, pick yellow.
These.
Yes, that is color yellow.
It's green.
It's green? No, it's yellow, but deep yellow. Why yellow can't be like green? My pikin say na green, no?
Yes, it's yellow.
It's yellow. Color yellow, okay?
Okay.
You like it?
Yes.
You like it. Good job. Good girl. No. 9. Don't use that. You can use only yellow. No. Okay, yeah, you want to color. Oh, good girl. Yes. Take. Oh. Now me be the tiboribo. Sorry. You want to color the beak. Yes. Good job. Good girl. Wow. Testimony is a good girl. Yes. Good job. Easy. Omo Igbo. Let me see.
No, it's beautiful.
Oh yes, it's beautiful. Wow, good job. Oh, I don't know say Igbo people brilliant like this. this is 4:45. The weather has changed in Germany, and 4:45 everywhere is getting dark. So I'm about to eat since morning. I am somebody's child too. Since morning. Oh my god. Yummy. So guys, I got about 3 orders today and I am super excited. I've said it in one of my videos that I sell waist trainer. Yeah, I sell 25 steel bone latex waist trainer. As you guys can see, it is a latex waist trainer. Quality. You guys can see, can you guys see? It is rubber latex. So I got 3 orders today, and this one is my own, is the one that I use personally, is my own. So these are the ones that I'll be sending out. So this is the package. I've packed this one already. So let's pack together. So if you need waist trainer, please feel free to contact me on my Instagram. I can give you my WhatsApp number if you want, and it is super affordable. It is 40 euro, and I ship within EU. I don't ship to Nigeria because shipping to Nigeria takes time and it is so expensive. So come get your waist trainer. Come look snatched. So let's eat together and let's pack this thing. Your girl is famished, not even hungry, famished. Guys, the waist trainer is available if you need it. It is quality. When I say quality, it is quality. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate you for watching up to this moment. So I'm going to see you guys in my next upload, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Subscribe. So till I see you guys again in my next upload. Bye. Have a nice weekend.